Jackson County's top prosecutor says Kansas City leaders are making progress on reducing violent crime.
That message comes even as the number of homicides this year is ahead of last year's pace. New tonight, Fox 4's Jonathan Ketz, live from police headquarters. John, the police chief and a top city council member also talking crime numbers.
Yeah, they held a news conference here at police headquarters, and that top prosecutor says that their violence initiative is working despite those crime numbers.
The vast majority or the lion's share of our homicides that we've seen in our community this year have been domestic violence related.
Melissa Johnson followed that up by saying Stand Against Violence Everyone KC or Save KC doesn't focus on domestic violence. Friday, she and Chief Stacey Graves talked about how non-fatal shootings are actually down nearly 60% this year compared to this same time last year. As of Friday, there were 39 homicides in the city limits so far this year. At this same time last year, there were 33. Chief Graves says gang violence is actually down, though.
I can't help but to think that's from a lot of the work that's going on here in Kansas City. The collaboration, the close working relationship, all of us coming together for one goal to make Kansas City safer and reduce gun violence.
Johnson said that nobody should take Friday's discussion as a victory lap. Through Save KC, the group uses focused deterrence, where people associated with gangs are actually brought in and talked to try to prevent them from continuing the life that they're living. They held another call-in Thursday night where 13 people were brought in and talked to about their actions. Urban League CEO Gwen Grant represents the civil rights community in this process.
It was important for us to be engaged at every level to ensure that we are addressing issues of equity, our concerns relative to police-involved homicides and excessive and deadly force.
So when it comes to the plan to try to combat domestic violence, KCPD says that something regarding that will be announced early next week.